The Maharashtra Cricket Association is hosting the inaugural edition of the Women's Maharashtra Premier League. Ahead of the season, Ratnagiri Jets skipper Smriti Mandana, along with Devika Palshikar, the team's lead performance coach, addressed key questions from the media. Speaking on WMPL's impact on women's cricket, Smriti called it revolutionary, adding that having a platform like WMPL is a game changer for aspiring female cricketers.
See, I feel for women's cricket to have this sort of stage is amazing, and the very fact that state associations and also WPL, I mean, the way they have it shows that of course women's cricket can generate revenue, which is an amazing thing for women's cricket, and people are ready to invest money into it. I mean, the more the professional the sport gets, it's gonna get only better for especially grassroots level cricketers. For them, I think this is just amazing. So I mean, from my point of view, of course, promotion is a different thing, but I think well beyond that, we are well beyond that in women's cricket, and I see at it as like people are ready to invest, and that shows that I mean women's cricket is growing and people want to watch it.
When asked whether superstar culture hampers team performance, Smriti responded from personal experience, saying that seeing superstars inspired her to strive for that level, rather than be deterred by it.
I don't know how do I answer it, to be fair.
That you should not ask the already start. You should ask that question to the other players, whether that take the step step back.
You might be able to answer.
Yeah.
No, but on that note, I mean, sometimes when I came into the team, of course, there were a lot of stars. I mean, there were Julian and Vitali, and we looked up to them. But never I felt that, oh, people are coming to support them. I always believed that when people came to support them, I felt like, wow, I also want to do that one day. So, I mean, the way you take it, and I'm sure that a lot of young girls or boys, whoever feel that, I mean, I'm sure it only comes from a nice way in terms of, oh wow, this is happening, I also want to reach that level. So I mean, I don't see that as a culture or something. I think that also drives the sport, that also drives the franchises. So I mean, it's not right, it's not wrong, but I feel it's a personal choice how you look at it.
The MCA International Stadium in Pune will be hosting all 13 games of the tournament from June 5th to June 14th.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.